Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing an ultimate deep clean of my refrigerator and my freezer. I like to start with the side door of the refrigerator by removing all of the condiments and then cleaning the shelves. I also take this time to throw away any of the condiments that may have expired. I like to wipe the bottles off before returning them to the side door. Next, we move on to the middle section, and I start by removing all of the items. Once they have been removed, I go ahead and thoroughly wipe down the refrigerator. Once the middle section has been thoroughly cleaned, I start to add things back. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life than I would. I repeat the same steps on the remainder of the refrigerator. Now I want to embrace life, you and I side by side. Knowing there is more in life than Once I'm finished with the refrigerator, I move on to the freezer and I start by removing all of the items from it. Once all of the items have been removed, I thoroughly deep clean the freezer. Now that it is clean, I start adding items back to the freezer. This is also when I organize and I place things where I would like for them to be.
You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes, not deep and under. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You changed it, I can't.
Okay guys, that's the end of my deep clean of my refrigerator and freezer. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I hope you all are having a wonderfully blessed evening, morning, noon, night, no matter what time it is, wherever you are when you're watching this. I hope it's blessed, and I'll see y'all on my next one. Bye guys.
Back into the river, swim my little